Hello everybody, my name's AD White and I'm the Christmas shop manager at Blackthorpe Barn in Suffolk. I hope your preparation are going well. I hope you're into the festive spirit right now. So how about doing a little crafty project? Because I'm in my festive workshop and I've come up with another idea that you might like to do. It's a 12-point star wreath. And this is it. Made out of twigs again. I'm always a big fan of twigs and jute strings and wire and foliage and cones and berries and ribbon. And some of these things you can get from the shop, but obviously not, you have to make one of these yourself. So, anyway, if you like this, then come along, follow on and watch the video. Okay. And all you need is some twigs, rubber band, string and floristry wire. We don't use any glue at all in this project, so keep it nice and clean and simple, and any kids can do this as well. So we need groups of 4 twigs to create a square. So I've got 3 options of wood I'd like to show you. This is willow, which is grown from my garden. And this is willow and this is sallow, all both collected from the ground around my walks around the woodlands around here in the lovely part of Suffolk. So, and you also need some floristry wire as well. So that's all the equipment you need. So I'm going to show you how we can make the square. But first thing first, we need to choose which wood. So we'll go for the birch one. So get rid of those 2. So just remember, we need 12 of these twigs. So I'm just going to create one square by using these first 4 twigs, and then rest the 2 on top. There, like so. And then I'm going to fasten the corners by wrapping rubber band on all 4 corners. So just like that. Doesn't have to be totally tight, just enough flexibility so we can get that perfect sort of square. And then same for the other 4 corners. And then don't forget, have the bottom one, the bottom twig at the bottom and the top twig at the top, obviously. But basically like so. And then 2 more. Oops, springing away. There. Oh, getting a right mess here, aren't I? There, and we'll just do the final one here. Over the top. There. A bit tight that one. Oh. Right, so we need 3 squares by using the 4 twigs and with rubber band. Once you've done that, then we're going to go on to hiding all these rubber bands, and this involves just a string. So cut yourself a nice generous piece of string, and then we just slowly wrap around to hide the rubber band. And when you're happy, and then tie a knot, and then you've got to do the same for all the other 3 sort of corners as well. So if you do those 3, and make sure you have the knot at the top of each of the corners, because when you flip it over, they will be all nice and finished. Obviously, you need tidying up that one there. So you need 3 squares. So, and then here my other 3 squares. So I'm now going to lay it out and try and get that 12-point sort of star. So I'm going to create the second one over the top, just slightly jaunted. And then the third one, over the top. I'll just flip that over and then work out which square works best. There you go. I think I'm happy with that. Then now you can see you're creating a shape of a star here. Now, now we need to try and tie them all in together. Where there are 3 twigs overlapping each other, what we need to do is get this forest wire and then tie that one round like so. And then you do the same for all the other 3 twig sort of areas. So maybe one there, maybe one there, and maybe one there, and maybe one there, and then maybe one there. Okay, so you get the general sort of gist. So I've created a finished article here, and here you are. And this is what could be your wreath. And then just tie a nice little ribbon at the top, and there you go. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Now, the question is how we stylize it and where we'll use it in our home. Anyway, have fun and creative with your decorations. I've got an idea. You could spray the whole wreath, either gold, silver or white even. How about adding some pine cones and fir branches? And anyway, this nice festive ribbon soon finish it all off for you. And it will look beautiful on your front door or window, or even use as a table decoration. A light flat and put some candles in the middle, something like that. It will look fabulous. But don't let me tell you how to do this. It's up to you. Enjoy your wreath and make it yours. I would love to see your creations. Please add a pic or tell me how you got on, and any other feedbacks, and then put them in the comment box down below. You can find all of my festive workshop videos on this platform, or visit our website at www.blackthorpebarn.com. Now time for me to say have a lovely Christmas and hope to see you all soon again.